To keep exports lightweight and flexible, CSV files include links to receipts rather than the files themselves. Should you want to export receipts only for your own company's records, you can do so in the Expenses tab. To download receipts, click on the Expenses tab on the left-hand side. From here, click on the calendar icon to select a date range such as your previous statement period. By selecting previous statement period, this ensures that all of these transactions have already been accounted for in your accounting system. If you do not select a date range when downloading your receipts, it will download all the receipts for all the transactions made since day one within the company. After selecting your date range, click on the Export or the Download button here. Then click on Download Receipts. This will send you a zip file to your email, and once you open it, it'll save all receipts by cardholder in separate folders in the format in which they were uploaded in. This process gives you the flexibility to download and store only the receipts you need when you need them.